Baughman tile entered the yard drain and foundation drain market when they made the high octane, the royal blue. And I have to give them a big shout out. Thank you, Baughman Tile, for doing so. The 8 slot that they have for their agricultural in the yellow, they use the same cutters for the high octane, and they have to slow everything down to remove that much material for that large inlet in the Baughman high octane. So when you're a big powerhouse like Baughman Tile and you're running millions of feet per day, plural, millions of 4-inch pipe, and then you have to slow down production to make a yard drain pipe, I just have to give them a shout out. Thank you, Baughman Tile, for what you're doing for us. We really do appreciate it. The crew just finished installing a French drain, and I wanted to show you how we terminate a drain to daylight, because this is a question I get asked quite often. How do you terminate your drain? So if it's a sump pump line, it's the same thing. It goes to daylight. We usually cut it on an angle, you know, that agrees with the existing slope, if it's a ditch, or it depends where it terminates. And then this here is our critter guard. So when the water comes out, you know, this will move. And now squirrels, muskrats, anything, you know, that you can think of that would see that as a potential home and pack it full of debris. It's no longer possible for them to even get in it. So that is the proper way to terminate a sump pump line or a yard drain to daylight. If you want to learn more about yard drainage systems, subscribe. And if you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call. All right, guys. Until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.